Hey everyone, I'm Rajan, this is Ian, and over the past couple months, we've been trying to solve one fundamental problem. Let's get this, I guess we use our slides. How can we relive memories? Now, memories are inherently temporary, so how can we make this more permanent? So we first want to identify what makes something a memory. So we define that as 4 key things: the people we meet, the conversations we have, the places you go, and the ideas that you develop. And so in doing so, we decide to build something called Portal. Portal is a wearable AI that allows you to relive what you see, what you hear, and what you experience in the most immersive way possible.
Now, it all starts with you, the user. Portal just sits there on your head, recording your everyday interactions, what you see, and what you hear. After that, all of that is tossed into the cloud, and we process it, looking for the people you met, the objects you encountered with, and the different conversations that you had.
And on your end, all you have to do is ask a simple question. For example, when did I talk to Ian about laptop stickers? So this will be broken down into when did I talk? This is a conversation it's looking for. Ian, this is the person we're looking for, and laptop stickers. We're looking for audio and video correlating to this idea. And so once we have this question, we can do a lot of analysis on what we see. For example, we can look at connections with people through facial recognition. We can look at embeddings for semantic search, fragment relevancy for storage, locations in calendar to sync up with your daily life, and knowledge graphs and extended conversations to understand the intricacies of the things you experience on a daily basis. But this is just a lot of talking. Let's show you exactly how it works with a live demo. So this is Portal. These are videos that you've seen in first person based on the webcam on your head, and you can ask any simple question. So for example, tomorrow morning at 8:30 a.m., I have a physics quiz, and I have not studied for it at all. So let's study for it right now. Let's look up today's lecture on hinge forces. And you can just click search in a couple seconds. Here is our lecture from this morning on hinge forces by wonderful Professor Matthew Robbins. Here's a summary of what's being said, and it's just entirely live. These are things that we've seen in a couple seconds. You can analyze anything that you've processed. So this is a great example on how you can use audio, but we can go a little deeper.
Now, Rajan, I heard you were quite the musician. Now let's test something out and see how good you really are. Let's see moments when Rajan was playing the piano.
So no words are being said in this entire video. It's purely processing the fact that I'm playing the piano. It knows by context that this is me, and understands that this was actually happening. In order to understand based on location in your calendar that this is what's happening. So you've seen now both video and audio, but what about location? What about people you've seen, facial recognition? So this next example kind of combines everything. So this is connected to my calendar, and I'm just going to ask a simple question saying, what did I do this afternoon before Symposium? And when you search this up, it should combine every single aspect of our processing. So right here, this is me playing ping pong. This is at St. Jerome's where I live. This is after my math 115 lecture. I won that point, by the way, very well. And this is my friend Pearl. And so we're able to analyze all of these things at once. I won this point for sure. But yeah, so we fundamentally believe that all information and people should be infinitely more connected. And we think that this video processing is the best way to approach it now. Yeah.
So yeah, we're here to make deja vu a thing of the past, and come join us at weareportal.co. Thank you.
Thank you guys.